Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. Welcome back, Rebel Canners. So this weekend was a marathon canning session. I did 3 videos at once. I didn't get to do a lot of talking. There was a lot of kids and background noise. So I'm sorry, these are going to be voiced over directions to my video. But I think you'll appreciate it. I just wanted to get these out for you. I think it's important to get these done. Right now, zucchini season is like upon us. You know, where your friends and relatives and neighbors don't leave your car unlocked. They'll leave a zucchini in your car, on your porch. You know, it's just zucchini season. What do you do with all those left? You make mock apple pie filling. So I have 3 quarts for pies and what did I say? 3, 6, 8 pints from 4 large zucchinis. And so this video, I did this, a friend has an allergy to apples and she can't have apples, but she loves apple crisp and apple pie filling and apple season, which is, you know, coming up here in just a few minutes, you know, it's almost September and she can't have it. And so we did the mock zucchini for her and now she can have her apple pie filling. It just isn't really apples, but it tastes just like apples. Zucchini is so wonderful. It does take on the flavors of anything you can it with. And so it's a wonder thing. I've done the zucchini pineapple, and now let me show you how to do the mock apple pie filling. Let's go, Rebels. So you want to take your zucchini, and I like to use the green ones, but you can use the yellow zucchini. You're going to go ahead and cut the 2 ends off from that end too. So go ahead and peel the zucchini. You want to get all of the green off. And so you're just going to go through the whole zucchini and just keep using the vegetable peeler to get all of the green off till you're down to the nice whitish colored portion of the zucchini. So do not throw these peels away, the green skin that you're peeling away. You've already washed your zucchini, so go ahead and use these in soups, in stews, in banana bread, in zucchini muffins. You can use this for anything you would use grated zucchini. Now you'll see here I'm already cutting it into slices, but on my second zucchini I remembered that it's easier to cut the zucchini in half lengthwise and then scoop all the guts out before you cut it. I had to go back and cut all of these in half and then scoop them out, and you just use a spoon to scoop those guts out. Once they're gutted and cut, you'll see they start to resemble apple slices, and that's exactly what you want. You want them to look like what you're trying to make. Because fooling the eye and making something aesthetically pleasing is actually improves the taste of food, believe it or not. So you want them to look like what you want them to be. Once you have about 24 cups of zucchini cut into apple wedges, you are ready to go on to the next step of this process. And believe it or not, it doesn't take much more than about 4 zucchini to make this happen. Go ahead and put your zucchini into a large saucepan. You're going to add 2 cups of lemon juice. Then add 1 tablespoon of really good vanilla. This is really important. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. The rest of the spices here, except the cloves, are 3/4 teaspoon each. That's 3/4 teaspoons of your ground ginger. 3/4 teaspoons ground nutmeg. 3/4 teaspoons ground cardamom. I actually left this out because I didn't like it. And 3/4 teaspoon ground allspice. 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves. Recipe actually called for like 3/4 teaspoon, but I don't like it that well. 1/2 cup of clear gel. And add a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of water. All right, so this is cooked and starting to get a little translucent. So I'm gonna get it packed into my jars here with my funnel. Yes, I have a little stain from doing pickled beets today that I haven't. We'll get it all done here together. But we'll get these into the jars. All right, I can't hold this. Give me a second. Okay, we got them all done here. We'll get our lids on. Wiping them all down really good. The rim's all wiped. All right. Get our rings on. Go ahead and process the pints for 15 minutes in the boiling water bath, and then they're done. These look so beautiful on the shelf, and one more way you can use up all those wayward zucchini that are going out of control in your garden this season. Here's another video you just might like, and before you leave, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.